Hey babes! Today in my design series, I'll be showing you how to do these squiggly snake braids, also known as crochet braids. I posted a video doing this on myself before, but I wanted to revisit this for those who didn't catch the first one a couple years ago. So starting out, I have my row ready to go. And we're just starting with a simple part in the front. I'm using my braiding gel to keep the flurries at bay. And the second step is to just clip that section away for later. Next, I'm doing the same thing all over again, making my next part, adding some braiding gel, and this time I'm clipping it in the opposite direction. You want to clip it in the direction the braid will go. And then you do it once again, making another part, and then clipping it in the opposite direction as the last one. This is very important for setting the foundation. This will help you ensure the style will be neat and seamless when it's time to braid. And I just repeated that parting process all the way to the back of the section. Now here's the fun part. I'm removing the clip from the first section, and I'm doing a simple braid in the direction where the clip was. Now, what you want to do is part off a small piece of the next section with your finger. This is how you get a very neat curve, so it's very important that you follow this part. You just separate that small part and then braid in that direction. And then finally take your braid up to finish that second section. You will do this to completion. Let's do the next one. I'm parting off a small piece once again, and then I'm braiding in that direction. And once again, just finishing off that section. This may seem like a weird process, but when you get the hang of it, it's a piece of cake and you'll be so proud of your results. So I finished the full section to completion, and I add a rubber band at the end. And this is how the full style looks. Leave your questions in the comments if you have any. If you have a hair class, feel free to show this to your students. Like this video and check back tomorrow for the next tutorial. Later babes!